Mommy, mommy, mommy. I want a booby. Go boobies.
You're gonna embarrass her. We're gonna show this to her friends.
Yeah. Oh, yes. I like boobies. Booby, 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 boobies. And I'm not allowed to date until I'm 21 years old. And if any boys come over, I don't like boys. They have cooties and they smell bad. I won't make her cry. I don't like boys.
Wait, let me zoom in.
Yuck.
Do it again.
I don't like boys. Yuck. Boys are gross. Yuck. Cooties. Cooties.
She's
cooties.
falling asleep. Good job, Dad.
Boys make me fall asleep. They're boring and ugly. Woo! Boys suck.
We're torturing our baby.
I like it.
Well, I'll show you guys the video. Oh. Okay. Good night.
She looks really cute like that.